Here it is. We've been waiting for not even probably 6 weeks. We're back at the boat. We're gonna measure for a custom cover for the boat. I don't know what the backlog is for the company we want to use. I did talk to them and they gave us an order form. Just got to measure from the bow back. There's a whole bunch of measurements. They got templates for these different boats. We've seen a lot of the covers that this company has made. They're really, really nice. So we're gonna see if by chance we can put our order in and still get it before the snow flies here.
Well, we got all of the measurements. Mark went all around, port and starboard, and we did the back. We got all the measurements with all the stanchions and the backstay, and now we just have to do the boom. Oh, and he did all the shrouds.
Got her up there? Yep. All right, we'll call this one 11 foot 4 inches. We'll go.
Well, we got everything done. Mark actually sucked all the water out of the bilge. There was more in there, and then he also discovered that there was water in the battery compartment. He saw water in the berth back there. There's no cushions back there because we took them off. So we're just packing up and we're gonna head back.
What's in the box? We'll show you. Here it is. We've been waiting for not even probably 6 weeks. Brand new cover for our boat. It's a custom fit cover that we ordered from ShipShape. We didn't really even know we wanted a cover until we saw one for sale on the internet. I used one for our size boat, but it really wasn't really the right everything was off a little bit, so they were gonna. ShipShape was awesome. We called them up, said, "Hey, I got this cover. Is there something you can do to help fit our boat?" And he's like, "Sure." Get all the measurements, and they would have worked with us on it. But the more we thought about it, you know, the cover was like brand new, but you know, let's get the one that's going to fit our boat 100% since we're going to keep it for a long time. We weren't really even in the market for a boat cover until we saw that one online, because we were spoiled with our 25 foot with slow ride because we could keep it indoors. And now we're going to keep this one outside at the club, and we got a brand new cover for it. So let's take a peek in the box here. Got a bag for it.
Mark got
labeled
the extra lines or straps, or what are they, tie downs they call them?
Yeah, this was an option. He supplied you with the right amount of line to tie it underneath. So he said, yeah, this comes with one big long line, and there's supposed to be instructions in here, kind of how to tie it and whatnot. So it's labeled 100 feet. And I would assume this is something similar.
Looks like another 100 feet, I think it says.
Another 100 foot here. Awesome. Looks like we got an envelope here. Oh. It's got all the instructions. These guys have been super good to work with. I just want to give them a recommendation there. I mean, everything they're doing here, even here, it's got Jim's cell. How good is that? You get a company that gives you Jim's cell phone. So if you have any questions when you're putting it on, that's such a nice.
Oh, Tucker.
Yep, neighbor's dogs. So let's take a peek inside the bag here.
Oh, more line. More tie downs.
Is that the same? Oh no, more.
Cool.
Huh? Oh yeah. I don't think I'm gonna pull it out of the bag till we get to the boat, but you just kind of see how, I mean, the fabric is just really, really nice material. It's supposed to be UV protected, and it's basically waterproof. He goes, I'm not going to guarantee it's waterproof, he said, because I just put a few thousand holes in your boat, or a few 100,000 holes.
In the cover.
I mean, in the cover, when he stitched it up, but he says it's got some kind of a protective coating on there and everything.
I mean, I guess you could like seal all of the...
I don't think you have to.
But it's a sailboat. I mean,
keep the snow load off,
yeah.
and keep most of the water out, and yeah, we're pretty excited. So we ordered this. It was a last minute decision to order the boat cover, and so I called them middle of November, probably beginning of the second week in November, and I finally we made our mind up, we're gonna buy it. So I called him, hey, is there any? We're gonna go ahead and buy a cover for him. He's like, oh great, get your measurements in. I said, yep, I sent them in already to you. And he's like, okay. I said, so is there any way we can still, get it this fall? He kind of laughed. He's like, sure. He said, I'll get it to you before the end of the year, he said. So, and he did, which was amazing. He had 42 orders ahead of us to get done. And we're talking maybe a 6-week turnaround from when I ordered it to actually receiving it. So thank you very much, ShipShape, for coming through. And can't wait to get her on the boat. Directions were actually really easy to follow. They marked the cover, port, and starboard for us. The frame consisted of a boom crutch and a bow support made out of 2x6s. So we used the halyard to secure the boom while we were putting the boom crutch in place. So we just about got it finished up here before dark, but just a few more tie downs to have to finish up tomorrow.
We made pretty good headway, but we're losing our daylight very fast. The days are just starting to get longer, but I just wanted to show you, this is like kind of crazy. That's downtown Green Bay right there. And here's the bridge. You can hardly see it. It looks so cool. So yeah, so we're gonna pack up. We got the cover on and we figured out how to do all the tie downs. And so Mark's inside adjusting the boom right now. Quite impressed so far. Everything seems to fit, and we have a wonky, like, asymmetrical stanchion, and it's exactly where it should be. All the zippers, everything so far. So far, we are very, very, very pleased with the cover.
Right.
What are we doing?
Oh, this is for the boom crutch. So I'm gonna cut this off here, and we're gonna have a couple risers coming up on each side here, and that'll cradle the boom, and then we're gonna have a bar going down to the floor of the boat. That'll take the weight off to hold the tarp up, the back cover up. I wish I got 3 inches here. Then that'll get screwed onto like that.
All right.
Once we get our measurement.
Do we need a platform at the bottom?
We do. We could probably just use this.
Okay.
I think.
Got her done.
I think we're done.
Yeah, this is it in here. It's kind of cool. Look,
You know,
it's got vents and stuff, and
yeah, the air can flow through here nice. It'll shut all the water off. It won't. It shouldn't really condensate in here or nothing. So
yeah, and it's warm in here actually, so we could definitely work on some things in here.
well, you gotta remember it's 45 degrees outside.
Yeah, but even if we brought like a little heater or something.
Oh sure, yeah, this would warm right up here
Yeah.
in no time.
So,
Yeah, we could actually. Yeah, you're right. We could literally put a heater in here. Down below in the boat, open this up. This whole area would get fairly warm.
Say, what are those loop-de-doop things there at that are starboard and?
Those tags.
Yeah.
They're just tags. They just have our name on it.
Oh, okay.
It says starboard.
Oh, it says starboard and
Yep, starboard and port.
port. Yeah, they did a great job labeling everything, so you're not just trying to figure out what a humongous piece of fabric is supposed to be doing.
Very well designed.
Sweet.
Love it.
Great job, Mr. Hansen.
You too.